Learn Spanish future. I will do equals.
Haré.
Future of.
Hacer.
Closing parenthesis. Welcome. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to laugh, learn, and lock in the Spanish future tense? Hey you, yes you, grab your imaginary cape, because today you will do epic things with the Spanish verb.
Hacer.
By the end, saying I will do, you will do, and we will do will feel as easy as a victory dance. Your goal today. You'll master the future forms of the super useful verb to do, make. I will do.
Haré.
You will do, singular.
Harás.
He, she, it will do.
Hará.
We will do.
Haremos.
You will do, plural, Spain.
Haréis.
They, you, plural, Latam, will do.
Harán.
To do, to make.
Hacer.
Do.
Hacer.
Make.
Hacer.
Keep these English prompts in mind. I will do, you will do, we will do, to do, make, do. We'll use them all. Forms jam. Quick chant time. Say it out loud and groove a little. Future roll call. I will do.
Haré.
You will do.
Harás.
He, she, it will do.
Hará.
We will do.
Haremos.
You all will do.
Haréis.
They will do.
Harán.
Base verb to do, make is.
Hacer.
Remember, make also maps to.
Hacer.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and imagine yourself in the scene. A. After lunch, I will do the coffee run.
Haré.
El café. B. Great. Then you will do the slides, too.
Harás.
Las diapositivas. A. Deal. By 5, we will do a full run-through.
Haremos.
Un ensayo completo. C. From Spain, and you all will do the Q&A, Vale. Vosotros.
Haréis.
Las preguntas. Boss. Perfect. They will do the recording, ellos.
Harán.
La grabación. Narrator. Moral of the story, when in doubt, to do equals.
Hacer.
Drill time. Your turn, repeat after me and own it. Say, I will do.
Haré.
Say, you will do, singular.
Harás.
Say, we will do.
Haremos.
Say, you will do, plural, Spain.
Haréis.
Say, they will do.
Harán.
Say, to do, to make.
Hacer.
Bonus. Make a plan.
Hacer.
Unplan. Bonus. Do homework.
Hacer.
La tarea. Culture tip. A tiny tip that saves you confusion. In Spain, friends use vosotros, you will do equals.
Haréis.
In most of Latin America, people use ustedes, you, plural, will do equals.
Harán.
And remember, both do and make usually map to.
Hacer.
Laugh break. Let's keep it light, humor boosts memory. My future self texts. Relax.
Haré.
Everything, mañana. Your coach replies, nice try, hoy.
Harás.
La práctica, y juntos.
Haremos.
Historia. In Spain, the crowd chants, vosotros.
Haréis.
Maravillas. Meanwhile, the team whispers, tranquilos, ellos.
Harán.
Los subtítulos. Moral. To do anything heroic, first say.
Hacer.
Lightning quiz. Fast answers, trust your instincts. Translate. We will do. Answer.
Haremos.
Translate. You will do, singular. Answer.
harás,
Translate. I will do. Answer.
haré,
Translate. You will do, plural, Spain. Answer.
haréis,
Translate. They will do. Answer.
harán,
Translate. To do, to make. Answer.
hacer,
Which Spanish verb often means both do and make? Answer.
hacer,
Final challenge. Now stitch it all together in your own words. Speak a 10-second story using every target. I will do.
haré,
You will do.
harás,
We will do.
haremos,
You, plural, Spain, will do.
haréis,
They will do.
harán,
To do, make.
hacer,
Example prompt. Today we make a plan.
hacer,
Unplan. I will do the intro.
haré,
You will do the slides.
harás,
We will do a rehearsal.
haremos,
You all will do the Q&A.
haréis,
They will do the edit.
harán.
Your turn, go. Wrap up. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing your English-Spanish superpower. Do, to do, make.
Hacer,
I will do.
haré,
You will do.
harás,
We will do.
haremos,
You, plural, Spain, will do.
haréis,
They will do.
harán.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, freebies, and practice tools. See you next time.